Now we are going to solve a probability related problem. Here the problem is, in a tropical region during rainy season, length of shower is exponentially distributed with average length of shower half minute. Okay, we have to find the probability that length of shower will last at least 3 minutes. That means probability x greater than equal to 3 if x is exponentially distributed, first case. And second case is if rain lasts at least 2 minutes, what is the probability that it will last more than 1 minute? Okay, that means a conditional probability x greater than equal to 3 divided by x greater than equal to 2. We know that in an exponential distribution, if parameter is lambda, then mean of the exponential distribution is 1 by lambda, which is given half. Therefore lambda equal to 2, and the PDF of exponential distribution is fx equal to lambda into e to the power minus lambda x, where x greater than 0 may be equal to, and that means 2 into e to the power minus 2x for x greater than equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. Okay, first of all we have to find the probability x greater than equal to 3. X is exponentially distributed. X is greater than equal to 3. Length of shower will last at least 3 minutes. Okay, is equal to integration 3 to infinity fx dx. As it is an improper integral, therefore we have to find the value of the integration as follows. Limit b tends to limit b tends to infinity, upper limit is b. Integration limit b tends to infinity, integration 3 to b, 2 into e to the power minus 2x dx. Limit b tends to infinity, 2 into e to the power minus 2x by minus 2, 3 to infinity, minus limit b tends to infinity, b, e to the power minus 2b minus e to the power minus 2 into 3, 6. As b tends to infinity, therefore as b tends to infinity, therefore e to the power minus 2b tends to 0. Therefore minus of 0 minus e to the power minus 6, finally e to the power minus 6. Okay, To find the probability x greater than equal to 3 divided by x greater than equal to 2, first of all we have to find the probability x greater than equal to 2. Similarly, probability x greater than equal to 2. Limit similarly. Integration 2 to infinity 2 e to the power minus 2x dx. Similarly, limit b tends to infinity 2 into e to the power minus 2x by minus 2 to b minus limit b tends to infinity e to the power minus 2b minus e to the power minus 4. As b tends to infinity, e to the power minus 2b tends to 0 minus 0 minus e to the power minus 4, finally e to the power minus 4. Probability that length of shower lasts at least 2 minutes. Okay, e to the power minus 4. Therefore, probability x greater than equal to 3 divided by x greater than equals to 2 for condition probability x greater than equal to 3 intersection x greater than equal to 2 divided by probability x greater than equal to 2. Okay, intersection of x greater than equal to 3 and x greater than equal to 2 is x greater than equal to 3. We can derive it from the number line of x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. X greater than equal to 3, x greater than equal to 3, x greater than equal to 2. Therefore, common zone is x greater than equal to 3. Therefore, probability x greater than equal to 3 divided by probability x greater than equal to 2. E to the power value of this is e to the power minus 6 by e to the power minus 4. Finally, e to the power minus 2, that means 1 by e square. Very easy to solve. If any doubt, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. Okay. And thank you for watching this video till now.